The crypto market is literally holding its breath, waiting for Wednesday, September 17th. All eyes are on that date. In fact, all eyes are on that date for about 1:30 Eastern Standard Time when we get the unveiling of, yep, I know you don't care. I know you're not excited about it. I'm not either, but I have to talk about it because it is what is going on. It is our reality. We are waiting on the, drum roll please, Federal Reserve to do what they're going to do or not about lowering the base interest rate. Here's what's going to happen. Number one, everybody's spooked because nobody knows. We are going to get a Federal Reserve interest rate cut. The question is whether we get a small one or we get a bigger one. What the expected rate cut is 25 basis points, 0.25, a quarter of a percent, if you will, right? That's what's expected. If we get a bigger one, you're going to see crypto and stocks run. You're going to see everything take off. You know why we had the crypto market go up the previous couple of days? Back up over that $4 trillion mark? Because it was, yeah, you guessed it, it was the speculation of what the Federal Reserve is going to do. See, we're back up over 4 trillion. We're down 1% today. But you can see everything is down. Everything's in the red. Ethereum's down 2+%. XRP almost down 2%. Solana down 4%. Dogecoin, so forth and so on the 24-hour right there in that middle. You can see what's going on. Stock market is up a little bit today. In fact, right above my head, you can see right here, Dow's up 49, NASDAQ's up 207. NASDAQ's running hard because there's some stuff going on with some tech stocks, things of this nature. But again, everybody's really waiting. And you can see it playing out, as I said, with XRP. XRP has been trending sideways and doing this consolidation thing for a good almost 60 days. XRP has been doing that. Now, other cryptos have been faring better. Like, for example, obviously, look at this, Kronos, crypto.com. You know, they've had a really nice run over 7 days right there, 138+%. You can see it right there from there to there. And then they've been, again, trending really sideways for about 14 days. You can see it playing out there. Now, this right here, this buy alert to the sell alert, that is my software. Trading indicator X1 algo literally cost about $1.15 a day to use. I have a private community that sits behind it where I have three live coaching calls every single week that teach you how to use it, how to make a lot of money using it, all that kind of stuff. But to put this in perspective, in 7 days, $1,000 bought here, sold there, whenever the software tells you to buy and sell, would have made you have $1,331 in profit. What could you have done differently if you made over $1,300 in 7 days? Just asking, okay? Links are in the description below. Quarterly option is the cheapest on a per day basis, and you have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. WorldCoin, look at this right there. Boom. Buy here, sell there, 120+%. And then you can see how it started moving down. The software said, sell, don't take a loss. You see how I did with Kronos. Sell, don't take a 5 or 7% loss while it's trending sideways. And then boom, wait for it to come back in. You can track any crypto that you want. And by the way, it will work with stocks as well. This is Netflix right here. See it, Netflix, 64 days, 50+%. Buy and sell alerts, just telling you when to buy, when to sell. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so back to what we're talking about. Links down in the description. If you're watching this on X, links below this video as well. Look, this is where we're going to be, guys, until Wednesday. Crypto is holding its breath. Crypto is waiting. Crypto is just waiting to see what plays out. We're going to get that number on Wednesday, September 17th at about 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. If we get the 0.25, I think we're going to have just kind of an technical term, day. But if we get that bigger rate cut, if we get that 0.5, that 50 basis point rate cut, you can expect to see things move, and you can expect to see crypto and stocks and everything take off and go dramatically up. President Trump did come out earlier this week, I think it was yesterday, and said that he, quote, expects a big rate cut. Now, was he trying to apply some Trump pressure there? Yeah, I think so. Do I think he has any forewarning or foreknowledge of it? I don't know. He's the president. But I would love for him to be right, and I would love for us to get a 50 basis points rate cut because then everything starts to go. All right, so crypto market holding its breath. Crypto news right now. Let's see what plays out on the 17th. More to follow. If you haven't already done so, please hit that like, hit that subscribe down below, and go get that trading indicator. Look, bottom line, guys, you got 30 days. Try it. If you don't like it, you get a refund. You got zero risk. You have zero risk in this. You try it. Change something. Do something different. This is what the whales use. This is what the smart money use. They use trading indicators. By the way, this is one of the cheapest ones on the market. There are trading indicators out there that cost $300 a month to use. And I'm asking you for a little bit over $1 a day. Later. See you. Bye.